Hey everyone, welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky Whitehead, and today we're going to cover a deeply important topic for many Texas families: adoption. So adoption in Texas, it's a rewarding but complex process that transforms lives and creates families in beautiful ways. Today we'll explore the different types of adoption, the legal process, and what Texas families should know before beginning their adoption journey. I'll also share a real-life example to help you understand how this can play out in practice. So let's dive into the essential information for Texas families considering adoption. First, let's talk about the process itself. The adoption process in Texas requires several legal steps, starting with filling out a petition with the court. Filing the adoption petition, the first legal step is to file the petition. And you do that with the court. This document outlines the basic facts of the case, including the relationship between the adoptive parents and the child, and the reason for seeking the adoption. There's also termination of parental rights. So before an adoption can proceed, their biological parents' legal rights must be terminated. So this can be done voluntarily, in cases where the biological parents consent to the adoption, or involuntarily, if the court finds the parents are unfit. Home study. In most cases, adoptive parents must undergo a home study. So this is a thorough assessment conducted by a licensed social worker. The home study is going to evaluate the adoptive parent's suitability, including their living environment, the background, and ability to care for the child. Adoption hearings. Once the home study is complete and parental rights have been terminated, an adoption hearing is held. And during this hearing, the judge reviews the case and is going to make sure that the adoption is in the child's best interest. If everything is in order, the judge will approve the adoption. Finalizing the adoption. Once the judge approves the adoption, the child becomes the legal child of the adoptive parent. The court issues a new birth certificate listing the adoptive parents as the legal parents. The entire process can take several months. It depends on the type of adoption and the complexity of the case. Let me share a real-life scenario to help illustrate how the adoption process works in practice. Let's take the case of Tom and Laura, a couple from Texas who became foster parents to a 6-year-old girl named Emma. Emma had been in foster care system for a few years. She had moved between homes after her biological parents lost their parental rights due to neglect. Tom and Laura had been fostering Emma for over a year, and during that time, they formed a strong emotional bond with her. After much discussion, Tom and Laura decided they wanted to adopt Emma and make her a permanent part of their family. They filed a petition for adoption and then completed a home study which showed that they had a stable, loving home and were well equipped to raise Emma. Because Emma's biological parents had already lost their rights, the court did not require an additional termination hearing. During the adoption hearing, Tom and Laura expressed how much they loved Emma and how important it was for her to have a permanent home. The judge was moved by their commitment and approved the adoption, finalizing it the same day. Emma officially became their daughter, and her new birth certificate listed Tom and Laura as her parents. This case shows how adoption can provide stability and love for children who have been through difficult circumstances. Tom and Laura's journey took a lot of patience, legal guidance, and a lot of heart, but the outcome was life-changing for all of them. Adoption can be an emotionally challenging experience, especially for children who have experienced trauma. Families should be prepared to support their adopted children emotionally and seek professional help as needed. In conclusion, adoption is a powerful and beautiful way to grow your family. Whether through private adoption, foster care, or step-parent adoption, the legal process in Texas offers pathways for families to come together and provide love and stability for children. Remember, it's always important to seek professional legal advice to navigate the complexities of adoption in Texas and to ensure everything is handled properly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel for more valuable information on family law topics. Your support helps us to continue sharing important legal insights with families across Texas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.